effect of these technologies. Okay, technologies are there. Technologies are giving benefits as well as side effects, negative effects, and people are following those negative effects more conveniently than the positive one. So please believe in quality, prepare good research papers, and the first step in preparing a research paper is literature survey. आपको जो पुराने जो पेपर हैं जो लोगों ने पब्लिश किए हैं डिफरेंट जर्नल्स में, उनको पढ़ना है. पहले लिटरेचर गैदरिंग, आपको जो लिटरेचर है, जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, उससे रिलेटेड जो मैटर है वो आपको गैदर करना है. कहीं पे अपने जर्नल से, ऑनलाइन बुक से, वो मटेरियल आपके पास होना चाहिए. उसमें लेटेस्ट भी इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. कई बार हम क्या करते हैं कि 2023-22 के पेपर पढ़ते ही नहीं है. सब पुराने पेपर 15 के, 16 के, 12 के वो पेपर पढ़ लिए हमने. लेटेस्ट वर्क हैज नॉट बीन रेफर्ड. तो एक पहले हमें अपना जो मटेरियल है, स्टडी मटेरियल है, वो कलेक्शन करें, उसको पढ़ें अच्छी तरह से, एंड देन फाइंड द गैप्स, रिसर्च गैप्स, कि इस पेपर में ये दिया हुआ है, ये नहीं दिया हुआ इस पेपर में, इसमें ये दिया हुआ है, इसमें ये नहीं दिया हुआ इस पेपर में. तो दोज आर कॉल्ड द गैप्स, रिसर्च गैप्स. सो प्रिपेयर ए लिस्ट ऑफ द रिसर्च गैप्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दोज रिसर्च गैप्स प्रिपेयर योर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, कि व्हाट आई हैव टू डू ड्यूरिंग माय पीएचडी. And on the basis of your objective, your title should be fixed. Fix your title on the basis of your objectives. अभी सुबह भी बात हो रही थी वो कोविड की, पोस्ट कोविड. There was no relevance of that word in post COVID, but we put that word in our title. So people do like this. People do like this. So it is my humble request that you go step by step, and every step must be quality oriented. So prepare your objectives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 5, 6 objectives should be there. And then on the basis of those objectives, you prepare your title of the research, and then you prepare your research methodology. कि क्या करेंगे आप, कैसे अचीव करेंगे उनको ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को, which tools you are going to use. Nowadays so many tools are available, research tools भी available है. Even जैसे you are aware, I think chat GPT, you are aware. Chat GPT used in a positive way, but people are using it in a negative way. Okay. Similarly, we have different tools for checking the grammar. For literature survey, we also the tools. For data processing, MATLAB, SPSS, we have the tools. Excel, simplest tool that we should know. So we should be aware of these tools, and you apply those tools during your research process, your data processing, your grammar checking. Okay, and then you go for your results. Whatever practical experiments you are doing, prepare the tables of those results, explain those results, and compare those results with the existing studies, existing one. Suppose आपने एक एल्गोरिथम डिजाइन की है, उसको अप्लाई करो डेटा सेट पे. फिर जो डिफरेंट जो रिसर्चर उन्होंने भी काम किया उसी फील्ड पे, उनके काम से अपने काम को आप कंपेयर करें. कंपेयर योर वर्क, योर रिजल्ट्स with the people who have done already in that area, with the different algorithms, with the different models, and then you decide whether your work is better or equal or less than those work. Then you can explain your thesis work, what you achieved, and then you explain future work, कि up to this point I have done here, now what can be done in future, कि फ्यूचर में इस पे क्या काम हो सकता है. Always there is a scope of improvement. So whatever things are left which you could not do, okay, that can be explained in your future work. Then future researchers will work on those points which you have left for that particular area, in that particular area. So that should be the process. Second, your work must be validated, verification and validation. So whatever you have done, you validate that. First point is that you compare your work with the other researcher work. Second, you publish your work in good research journals. Conferences you can also attend. Okay, but your good research papers must be published in good reputed journals. Okay, for example, we have IEEE journals, we have Springer journals, ACM journals are there. These are very worldwide reputed journals are there. And to publish your research work in these journals, you need a very high quality paper that needs experiments, that need big data sets. Data sets means the whatever algorithm, whatever model you have designed, that must be applied to a data set. ठीक है, जब तक आप डाटा पे अप्लाई करने के लिए आपके पास मान लीजिए 4-5 ही वैल्यूज हैं, आइटम वैल्यूज हैं, तो क्या रिजल्ट निकलेंगे? नो वेरिफिकेशन कैन बी डन. तो योर डाटा सेट मस्ट बी लार्ज so that we can find a inference ki what we can say here in generalized way. For example, you are working on cancer, so you need patient data, cancer patient data, but you are taking only 4-5 cases. That is very small. So you must have a big data set. For example, 5,000 patients, 10,000 patients, 20,000 patients. Then you apply your work on those large data set. So good journals need large data sets. For example, you want to publish your paper in IEEE journal, Springer journal, ACM journal. They particularly see what is the source of the data set and what is the size of the data set. They want that. Okay. Then there are journals having impact factors. Sometimes people are not knowing what is impact factor. Impact factor is a number which describes the quality of that journal. For example, there is a journal having impact factor 5.2. There is another journal impact factor of 9.2. So 9.2 is better than 5.2. There is a formula for that, how this impact factor is calculated. That depends how many people, how many researchers have referred your work from that journal. Okay. So if you have good impact factor of your journal, definitely that paper will be considered as the best paper, a good quality paper. So if we work like this, please don't go for shortcuts. आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि ऑटोमेशन है, वर्ल्ड इज टोटली गोइंग फॉर ऑटोमेशन, 100% ऑटोमेशन, एंड वी नीड इट और पीपल लाइक इट, बट डोंट गो फॉर शॉर्टकट्स. कई बार मैं सुनता हूं कि मेरे को इतने पेपर हो गए हैं, इतने पब्लिश कर दिए मैंने 10 बुक लिख दिए, मैंने 15 बुक लिख दिए. वो कहां से हुआ? शॉर्टकट से, कट एंड पेस्ट. मैटर इज अवेलेबल ऑन द गूगल, दे कट एंड पेस्ट. बस अपना नाम चेंज किया, पब्लिश द बुक, पब्लिश द पेपर. दैट इज शॉर्टकट्स. प्लीज डोंट बिलीव इन शॉर्टकट्स. Believe in original work, believe in quality. That will be more beneficial for you. One paper is sufficient in 6 months. A good paper, good journal paper takes at least 6 months to publish, at least. Don't go for numbers. Okay. So I think, and use technologies. There are different technologies are available for everything. Okay. And one thing I always share, then we must know technologies, but please use these technologies in a controlled way. मोबाइल का देख लीजिए, मोबाइल क्या हमारी लाइफ कहां पे है? वेयर वी आवर लाइफ इज देयर. मोबाइल एवरीवेयर, एवरीबॉडी इज हैविंग मोबाइल, बट यू सी आवर मैक्सिमम टाइम इज ऑन पासिंग टाइम ऑन मोबाइल. Whether it is a Google search, whether it is a YouTube or Instagram, WhatsApps, we are passing our time on mobiles. So when we can do constructive work, positive work, please see everybody. It can be myself also. Everybody is there. ठीक है, हम बोल रहे हैं यहाँ से, लेकिन हो सकता है everybody is doing like this. ठीक है, तो please use these technologies. You should be must able to use these technologies, but use only for limited purpose, controlled way, and use your maximum time for constructive work, for positive work. Don't use them for passing the time. Okay. Otherwise things will be different. हमारे अंदर क्वालिटी नहीं आएगी. हम सारा दिन टाइम पास करते रहते हैं मोबाइल पे, तो हम बढ़िया अच्छे रिसर्च जर्नल पेपर कैसे बना सकते हैं? इट टेक्स टाइम. तो I take this opportunity to request to all of you, especially the dear students, कि please use mobiles, but use in a very, very controlled way, and go for your studies in a good quality way that will create your future in a very good shape. And I assure you, jobs are available. मैं फिर आपको बोल रहा हूँ, jobs are available, but only for those who are skilled. जिनको टेक्नोलॉजी आती है, स्किल्ड है, अपने एरिया में अच्छा काम किया है, they have good communication skill, good technical skill, good logical skill, they are treated as skilled. Okay, and for a skilled person, for a skilled student, for a skilled teacher, jobs are available, good jobs are available. Now we have to decide whether we are going for a good job or not. If you are passing the time in these technologies, good job is not there. Okay, so it is all to us to decide whether we have to go this side or this side. अब देखिए ना, मोबाइल ने कितना चेंज किया है. एक ओल्ड मदर 80 इयर्स ओल्ड, 75 इयर्स ओल्ड बूढ़ी माँ, जिसका बेटा यूएस में है, उसका वीडियो कॉल आती है, उसको क्या दबाना है? सिर्फ ओनली ग्रीन बटन, एंड सी कैन टॉक, सी कैन सी हिम, सी कैन सी हर. ठीक है, और उसके बाद उसको कुछ नहीं करना, काटना भी नहीं है फोन, वो अपने आप बेटा काट देगा उसको. नाउ सी द एडवांटेज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. उसको लगता ही नहीं मेरा बेटा यूएस में है. तो प्लीज यूज टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. डू सम रिसर्च वर्क फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द सोसाइटी, नॉट फॉर दैट in a different way. So I hope that I'm sure that deliberations during the technical sessions were very useful, and definitely emerging trends in pharmaceutical science, health science, or applied sciences, these areas are not away. Everything, every technology available for these areas. हमारा जो फार्मेसी इंडस्ट्री है बहुत एडवांस है, वर्ल्ड वाइड तो है ही है, लेकिन इंडिया आल्सो वी आर डूइंग ए लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च इन फार्मेसी एंड बाय यूजिंग दिस टेक्नोलॉजीज. सिमिलरली फॉर हेल्थ साइंसेज, कल भी मैंने शेयर किया था, आजकल आपके रोबोट्स आर अवेलेबल. इंडिया में भी ये प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हो गई है, लेकिन यूएस में तो खासकर है कि ओल्ड पर्सन दे आर नाउ अलोन. ओल्ड पर्सन दे आर अलोन नाउ. नाउ ह्यूमन रोबोट्स आर अवेलेबल, दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ देम. लेकिन एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, उनमें इमोशन नहीं है. But with the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning, it is being tried to replace human being by computer. Things, efforts are going, but only thing is that human robots are able. जो human robot है वो hug भी करता है बूढ़े old person को, but emotions are not there like human being. That is a great problem. If that is available, then things will be different. Then there will be no value for human being. I hope that it should not happen. Being a professor in computer science, I like that कि हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस ना हो कि ह्यूमन बीइंग इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय कंप्यूटर. बट I don't know what happen after 10 years or 15 years. और जनरली जो मेरा अपना पर्सनल व्यू है, मैं कई बार आपसे शेयर किया है, डिजिटल ड्रीम टेक्नोलॉजी दैट विल बी देयर. ड्रीम टेक्नोलॉजी, जो आप आज ड्रीम करेंगे, टुमारो दैट विल बी ट्रू. That will be true. So please, all, it is our duty to be careful, be controlled. Technology should not grab us, we should grab the technology. अब मोबाइल फोन ने क्या किया है? मोबाइल फोन हैज ग्रेब्ड अस, उसने हमें को ग्रेब कर लिया. बट इट शुड बी डिफरेंट, इट शुड बी रिवर्स. वी शुड ग्रेब द टेक्नोलॉजी, टेक्नोलॉजी शुड नॉट ग्रेब अस. ग्रेब अस मीन्स ह्यूमन काइंड, मैनकाइंड. So I think all these things we have to take care of in future, and we should believe in quality, be quality oriented, be technology enabled, be skilled, do good research. Nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. Okay. So once again, I am thankful to all my organizing team. I am thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Kaushik, who spared his valuable time to grace this valedictory session. I am also thankful to all the deans all the technical, all the our organized secretaries, Dr. Deepa, Dr. Sunena, Dr. Renu, Dr. Hitesh, and all our technical team, our design team, and our anchors, Taneja ji, our Ondrila madam, all I'm thankful to all of you that you did a lot of effort to make this conference a great grand success. And in future, I assure you that in future OSGU will organize more better events and more better conferences. So thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, respected PBC sir, for your enlightening words. But before proceeding further, I would like to call all the dignitaries on stage. Respected BC sir, respected PBC sir, Sunena ma'am, Hitesh sir, and Renu ma'am, please come on stage and please take a seat. Done? Okay. So now I would like to call on stage Dr. Sunena, Dean SHS OSG.
Very good afternoon, one and all present here. As you all know, that this international conference on emerging trends in pharmaceutical health and applied sciences is jointly organized by the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Health Sciences, and Applied Sciences of Sterling Global University, Hisar, in collaboration with Bingham University, Nigeria. And this is specifically designed with the intention of delivering outstanding outcomes and challenges in the field of health, medical, nursing, physiotherapy, physical, chemical, mathematical, and biological sciences. Before presenting this conference report, I would like to thank our worthy Chancellor Sir, Dr. Puneet Goyal, and Pro-Chancellor Ma'am, Dr. Poonam Goyal, who provide us the platform to organize this 2 days international conference. I am also thankful to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor N.P. Kaushik, Pro-Chancellor Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Rajendra Singh Chillar, Registrar Professor Vinod Kumar, and other dignitaries for their continuous support and guidance to make this event remarkable. This conference was organized with the main objective to bring collectively researchers, scientists, technicians, and scholars in all fields of pharmaceutical, health, and applied sciences for the propagation of original research, conclusions, new approaches, developmental practices that yield real results, and participants gain opportunity to interact with eminent international and national speakers. Conference served as a forum for participants from the different backgrounds to interact with each other and build bridges. I am very proud to present before you the detailed report of the international conference. This event attracted 150 online and offline participants who submitted their abstract, and selected abstracts have been compiled and edited in the form of conference proceeding and published in souvenir. The conference sessions were designed to provide participants comfort to present their work with an in-depth understanding. Additionally, the session provides the framework of wider discussion on how research has been fostered to date. Day one started with the inaugural session with introduction and welcome by Dr. Neeraj Taneja, followed by their floral welcome. Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Rajendra Singh Chillar formally welcomed our chief guest and all dignitaries. Sir talks over the various technological advancements which are useful in the social development. After this, the conference proceedings were released in form of souvenir by our chief guest, Dr. Vinod Kumar Verma ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor Luas, and other dignitaries on the stage. Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor N.P. Kaushik addressed the inaugural session and highlighted the transformative potential of AI in pharmaceutical healthcare, including its application in diagnostic, personalized treatment planning, and predictive analytics, followed by a virtual address by the guest of honor, Dr. Sonia Mohil, that she is financial analyst from Elevance Health USA. She talks over the importance of digital healthcare tools and technologies. She also discussed about the use of data analytics and AI in insurance industry. Then our collaborator of the event, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Haruna Kuje Ayuba from Bingham University, Nigeria, addressed the gathering online by his views about the recent trends in the pharmaceuticals and health sector. Later, the gathering was addressed by Honorable Pro-Chancellor Dr. Poonam Goyal. She appreciated and motivated all the gathering for their enthusiastic participation. The session continued with the enlightening address by our chief guest, Dr. Vinod Kumar Verma, Honorable Vice Chancellor Luas. Sir fostered discussions on the pharmacovigilance, toxicology in the digital age, and advancement in new drug discovery and development process with the aid of technology. He emphasized to address the health and environmental issues in a holistic manner. The inaugural session ended with the vote of thanks by Dr. Deepa Khanna and announcement of the online session. Evening session of the day first was full of significant online presentation by the participants from the different streams such as physics, chemistry, microbiology, pharmacy, biochemistry, physiotherapy, biotechnology, and being excess in number, the session was conducted at 3 different places simultaneously. The session was chaired by different teams for their paper evaluation. Participants talk about emerging pharma industry trends, new drug discovery processes, green chemistry, regulatory affairs, latest advancement in personalized medicine, global health challenges like issues. Overall, the conference provided a comprehensive platform for the interdisciplinary exchange and collaboration among researchers and professionals in these fields. Day second started with the offline session. The candidates from near and far joined in morning session for their presentation. Again, due to high number of participants, the session was started early from 10 a.m. The important topic covered was nanotechnology, waste management, antioxidants, biopharmaceutics, synthesis and evaluation of new chemical entities, probiotics, cancers, fluorescent microscopy assay method, biotechnological diagnostic tools. The session was chaired by Dr. Renu Sharma, Dr. Hitesh, Dr. Sunaina, and co-chaired by Dr. Basanti. All the topics of great interest and motivated audience to get insight into it. After the presentation, Dr. John Alpha, Dean School of Pharmacy, Bingham University, Nigeria, delivered a keynote address and discussed the various aspects of pharmaceutical and provide insight into the emerging trends and future directions. The evening session of day second was started with valedictory function. The dignitaries were welcomed formally, followed by the welcome address by Dr. Renu Sharma, Dean School of Applied Sciences. Then our worthy Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. Rajinder Singh Chillar, addressed the audience. Sir emphasized the emerging technology trends like AI, cloud computing, data analytics, robotics, and use of technology in a balanced way. And after this report, there will be the address of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor N.P. Kaushik Sir. The certificates were distributed among all the participants, and best papers were selected by the session chair were awarded in our next session by the dignitaries. The session concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Dr. Hitesh, Dean School of Health Sciences. In conclusion, this gathering served as a pivotal platform for all. It served as a catalyst for future research and collaborations aimed at understanding global health challenges and improving patient care with the help of technological tools. I wish all the participants enjoyed our session, and we are highly thankful from the for the your enthusiastic participation in this conference. Thanks for being a part of this conference, and have a nice day. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sunana ma'am. Thank you so much for your words. Now I would like to call on stage our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Dr. N.P. Kaushik. But before that, I would like to give a very brief introduction about Vice Chancellor, Sir. Professor Dr. N.P. Kaushik has completed his B.Tech Civil Engineering from MBM College, Jodhpur. He has completed his M.Tech from IIT Delhi, his PhD from IIT Roorkee. In his service years of more than 35 years, he has served as Vice Chancellor at Rajasthan Tech University, Chairman Board of Studies at RTU DAT. He is the recipient of Education Excellence Award, Lifetime Achievement Award, and Vice Chancellor of the Year Award in 2022. Sir, I would like to request you to please come on stage. Please give a big round of applause.
Good afternoon. So it is a matter of great pleasure for us that the academic activity which we started yesterday morning, and after various proceedings of the conference, we have come to the concluding session, that is valedictory of 2 days international conference on emerging trends in pharmaceutical, health and applied sciences. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the organizing team which is sitting in front of me, Dr. Renu Sharma, Dr. Sunena, Dr. Basanti, Kiran, Dr. Hitesh Tamija, Dr. Dhiman, and all team members who supported these team leaders in successfully organizing this event. As we are concluding this event, I am also thankful to our international partner. This was organized with in collaboration with the Bingham University. So I am thankful to Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor Haruna Uje Ayuba, and Dean Pharmacy, Dr. John, who joined us online and made this event successful. I am also thankful to keynote speakers, especially to Sonia Mohilji, who joined from USA, and that too in the midnight. It was a very odd time, but
on the request of our PVC, she joined this event. So I am thankful to Sonia ji. And also today, Dr. John delivered his keynote lecture. So I am also thankful to him. In the inaugural session, Dr. Vinod Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor of LUAS, visited us and also deliberated on this particular issue of emerging trends in pharmaceutical, health, and applied sciences. So we are thankful to him also. So actually, you all might be knowing that there are a series of academic activities we are organizing in our university. And this is not this year that we are organizing these activities. We started in January. So in the January, we organized the FDP, 5-day FDP. Then in the February, a national conference was organized. And in the month of March, we organized 2 international conferences. So this international conference is being organized by School of Pharmacy, Health and Applied Sciences, and previous one was organized by the other schools. So, and in between other academic activities were also organized. So actually, we can say that our university is committed to these academic activity and enrichment of the this research and innovation. So a very less number of students are sitting here. I feel that some of the things which we discuss here during the proceedings of the conference, whether the paper presentation or the keynote lectures, especially the keynote lectures, if the students attend, definitely they will be benefited by these lectures. So I can say that these activities have become calendar activities. When we say calendar activity, it means that they will be having a fixed schedule during your calendar. So as we organize these 4 conferences, FDP, etc., last year also, and this year in the same period, these activities have been organized, right? So it will continue in the future also. So one thing that the organizing teams which were working behind these events, whether it is FDP, conferences, or any other event, they must be ready for next year. And they should prepare much better way that how, what are the actually, when the any activity is completed, we should actually discuss over that what is the output of this particular event, what were the efforts we had to do, and how the betterment can be done in these kind of the activities. So it is necessary. Then only the improvement can come. And whatever level of the activities we achieve, there is always chance that we can make the improvement. As Professor Chiller was quoting some of the presentations, that one of the research scholar was showing only single slide, and she was trying to present her paper. Second one was showing the number of slides, but a lot of content was there. And third thing was that the title was absurd. So actually, when we discuss these kind of things, definitely our research scholar also get benefited. They can get suggestions and they can make improvement. But researchers should also be open mind. This what I want to say from this platform, that they should be open mind. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जो मैंने कह दिया या मैंने जो लिख दिया या जो मैंने कर लिया वो ब्रह्म सत्य हो गया, क्योंकि ब्रह्म सत्य कभी हो ही नहीं सकता, हम ब्रह्म सत्य तक पहुंच ही नहीं सकते। तो मतलब जो है कोई भी, क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म ही इस तरह का है, हमारा जो ये कॉन्फ्रेंसेज, वर्कशॉप और एफडीपीज वगैरह जो हम we organize, this is the platform where we can interact with each other, and we can find if there is some betterment can be done. In your objectives or the brochure which you have made, I have seen 2-3 words. The first is the networking. So in networking, actually we should try that we are contacting with the research scholar and other researchers also. Our efforts should be that these events reaches to a reputed universities, and our networking should be such that we can bring out the very good quality experts to these events. जैसे इस बार भी हमने कोशिश की कि भाई जो है हम फॉरेन से, when we are saying that it is an international conference, then definitely we should try to get the international experts in this conference. So this is what you should try to do in the networking. Then one thing which you have written is the collaboration. You have read that sentence that we have collaborated in this manner with the research scholar or so, or our contents, etc. On the other hand, we should also try to increase our collaboration in the Indian universities or in the foreign universities. When this was at the planning stage, this particular, I asked Hitesh ji also that if we can do this, we can try to bring some international experts to this particular conference who may be from your particularly pharmacy area. Similarly, those who are heading their departments, they can also try to bring in the experts, because networking या collaboration जो है वो हमारे मतलब इसी तरीके के होने चाहिए ताकि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो थोड़ा सा मतलब आगे उसमें जा सके. और this year we tried and we added a new collaboration with Italy. पिछले साल तक हमारे ये दो थे, बिंघम और अल्तकवा यूनिवर्सिटी थी, and we try to add ENEA, and Dr. VK Sharma, he came to here in Italy, and I can tell you he particularly came for this event only. He made his plan and he joined us physically. तो इन चीज़ों का इम्पैक्ट जो है वो मतलब बहुत होता है कि आप किस तरीके से नेटवर्किंग कर रहे हैं, किस तरीके से कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज दैट बेटर रिसर्च आउटपुट. तो उसमें भी जो भी हमारे मतलब सुपरवाइजर्स हैं, गाइड्स हैं, दे मस्ट ट्राई दैट. जैसे कि डॉक्टर चिल्लर साहब ने बहुत ही एलोबरेट करके इस चीज़ को बताया कि व्हाट शुड बी द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिसर्च. सो these things should go to our research scholars, and they should try to follow also. क्योंकि बहुत जो है सिली मिस्टेक्स जो है कई बार हमको देखने को मिलती है इन चीज़ों में, चाहे थीसिस हो या कुछ भी हो उसमें, चाहे आपका मतलब पर्टिकुलरली जो आपका टाइटल है वो तो बिल्कुल आपका प्रैग्मेटिक एंड स्पेसिफिक होना ही चाहिए, so that which reflect that what actually you have written in the 200 or 300 pages which you have made the thesis. तो वो बिल्कुल सही रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए. आपके फैंसी आइडियाज के हिसाब से ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि आप कोई भी टाइटल जो है वो रखने की कोशिश करें. So I will not speak much. Once again, I congratulate the participants also that they made the effort and prepared their research papers presented here, and also those who will get the best paper award, and those who have only participated in the conference. To congratulations to all, and thank you that this successful event is being completed. Thank you all.
Hello. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your enlightening words. Now the moment of truth and the moment for which everybody was waiting for, the announcement of two best papers and distribution of the best paper awards and distribution of the certificates as well. So I would like to call on stage our respected VC sir, respected PVC sir, Sunaina ma'am, Hidesh sir and Renu ma'am on the stage to present the awards and certificates.
ईमान सर भी बुला लो मैडम. ईमान सर भी बुला लो. ईमान सर भी बुला लो.
So now, the announcement of two best papers, and the best papers are of Priya Sharma. Please come on stage. And please put your hands together for Priya Sharma. And it Tripolis. Yes. Please put your hands together for Tripolis.
Announce करो कि best paper goes.
हाँ, best paper. So the best paper goes to Priya Sharma and Theophilus. Please put your hands together. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. All right. Now, the rest of the presenters, I'll be calling you up. I'll be calling your name, and please come from this side of the stage, and please exit from the left-hand side of the stage. Okay? It's Chanchal, Munilal, Sonu. Chanchal, Munilal, Sonu, Malo Devi. प्रेजेंटर्स नीचे आ जाइएगा तो फोटोज आपको वहीं से सही रहेगा. पिनाज
बाद में चेंज हो जाएगा ना. इधर फोटो कर लो, बाद में चेंज कर लो.
मुनीलाल,
बस आगे बाद में चेंज कर लो.
पिनाज, रिंका तुतेजा, मोहम्मद जुएल राना, खुशबू शर्मा, Theophilus, Mr. Joel Rana, then Khushbu Sharma, Theophilus Rakesh Sharma, Priya Sharma. आ जाओ जल्दी प्रिया शर्मा, किरण बाला, मेघा, आयुष्मान कितने हैं? ओके, ये हो गया ना, किरण बाला, प्रिया शर्मा, मेघा हो गया। श्वेता, श्वेता ढांडा, गुंजन, कवि ग्रोवर, मीनू देवी एंड डेरिक। गुंजन वर्मा, कवि ग्रोवर, मीनू देवी एंड डेरिक। एंड विजेंद्र शर्मा। Next are the participants who have attended is Manisha, Deepak Rani, Ankit Kumar, Kumari, Nancy. Manisha, Deepak Rani, Ankit Kumari, and Nancy. इनको दे दो आयुषी मैम। पहले इनका करा लीजिए, उनका देखते हैं। मनीषा, दीपक रानी, अंकित कुमारी एंड नैंसी। Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Anybody else remaining जिनका नाम नहीं लिया गया हो, जो पार्टिसिपेंट किया है या फिर प्रेजेंट किया हो? Thank you so much, presenters. Now I would like to call on stage Dr. Hitesh Kumar, in charge SPS OSGU, for the vote of thanks.
डालना पड़ेगा।
A warm and graceful evening to all the dignitaries, distinguished guests, my dear colleagues, students, and everyone gathered here to celebrate concluding session, or you can say the valedictory session of this two-day international conference on emerging trends in pharmaceutical, health, and applied sciences, which are organized jointly by our university with Bingham University, Nigeria. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks in the valedictory session to acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this international conference possible. I, Dr. Hitesh Kumar, on behalf of organizers of this conference, extend my sincere vote of thanks to Almighty for making this conference a grand success. On behalf of OSGU, I extend a hearty welcome to our chief guest of this event, this valedictory function, our Vice Chancellor Dr. L.P. Kaushik ji, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. And on Sunday, today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in all the future endeavors. I am very much thankful to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Dr. R.S. Schiller. Words are not enough to thank his constant guidance and support to shape this event. I would like to thank Dr. John Halfa, who is present in this session and delivered a lecture for accepting our invitation. Also, I would like to thank all the respected delegates who have gathered here to grace this event. Your hard work is evident in your presentations. The event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye thought in detail. We have fortunate enough to be backed by the team of very proactive and dedicated staff. I would like to thank our wonderful host, Advocate Neerav Taneja, Dr. Twinkle, Miss Ondrilia, and our IT support. Without the support of IT team, the online conference is not possible. Our video and photographic support team, our digital marketing team, our lunch and refreshment team, especially Dr. Diman and his team, our media team, and all the person who directly or indirectly involved in successful organization of this conference. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this conference memorable. We thank you for being with us, and it was remained a pronounced pleasure. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to ask everyone to kindly stand on their places for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly allow the dignitaries to go first. उसके बाद आप जाइएगा. Thank you so much, BC sir. Thank you so much, PBC sir.